To display information to the user on screen in REXX, we use the say command. And the say command accepts an expression. And this expression could be anything from adding 2 plus 2 to displaying an error message on screen, or simply prompting the user to give us a piece of information. To start, we'll add two numbers together and display them on the screen. I'll save it. We'll run it. And you can see the output is 4. Next, let's add a string. And you can see that we're still displaying the value of 2 plus 2. And in addition to that, I am also saying hello to myself. In our last video, we took a look at variables. So let's take a look at how we can display the value of a variable. I'm going to create a variable called fname, which will hold my name. The process is very similar, except we have to do what's known as concatenation, and that's a very simple process in REXX, and as we get further into working with strings, we'll expand on this a little bit. However, for now, we're just going to type hello, and then I'm going to add my variable name fname directly to the right of my string. We'll save it. We'll come back over here, and we can again see that we have the value of 2 plus 2. I'm saying hello to myself, and I am again saying hello to myself, only this time I've stored my name inside of a variable. Now that we've seen how to display information to the user, wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to also accept input from the user and then using the say command display that back to them? There is, and it comes in the form of a command called pool. Now, pool is an interesting one because it uses a template, and that template is basically a list of symbols, and these symbols can be separated by blanks or patterns. But fortunately for you and I, it's not quite as complicated as REGX. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on just doing a very basic pool, which in this case, we're going to use our say command to prompt the user to enter a number, and then we're going to use the pool command to accept the input from that user, and then we'll display the value that the user gave us. Before we jump into it, pool is simply a wrapper around parse upper pool, which just converts everything to uppercase. So let's get started by asking the user to enter a number. Then we'll use the pool command to accept that number, and we'll store it in a variable called num. And finally, we're going to display that output to the screen. We'll save it, come over to the console, and we'll run it. It's going to prompt us for that number. We'll enter 10 for now, and there you have it. You can see that we entered 10. This is a great stepping stone for you as a budding REXX developer, and it demonstrates the basics of taking information and displaying it to the screen. Taking what you've learned in this video, you now have the ability to write a basic REXX script that both displays and accepts user input. Until next time, this is Steven for New to Zed, and may the code be with you.